everyone, it's Jennifer, and today is day 11 of the Advent. So, let me find here is day 11. So let's take a look at what's in day 11. Get it open. So here is day 11. And who is with Santa in the picture above the fireplace? Oh my. And it has a curly whirly in it. We love the curly whirlies. These are really good. And there we go. Santa in the picture above the fireplace is the Rudolph. Alrighty. And our tea for the day is Earl Grey spiced chai blend with bergamot oil, and the ingredients are 85% black tea, 4% cardamom, 3.5% clove, 3% black pepper, 2.5% cinnamon, and 2% bergamot extract. Awesome. And the next thing in right here by my hand is the Southern Skeins, day 11. And we'll open that up. And it is stunning. We love those colors. Absolutely love those colors. And then we have Paw Ply. Check that one out. And here's the name. Oh, come on. Snowflake. And that's beautiful. Look at that. So these are the 2 mini skeins for today. And they are quite beautiful. Beautiful. Really like those. Absolutely. So we've got those. And then here is our day 11 for Hobby Lobby. So there's 2 bumpies in here. Oh, we have more washi tape. So here's the washi tape. It says handmade all around it. And then this one has a pattern on it. Come on. Doesn't want to show the pattern. Come on, camera. There it goes. That's very pretty. So there's the 2 washi tapes, and you get a good amount on the washi tape. You do. So there's 2 more washi tapes. So we've gotten 6 washi tapes now. And in here, make sure it's empty. That envelope is empty. We got a sheet of stickers. Those are great stickers. Let's see how many sheets are in here. There is only 1 sheet of stickers. And then there is a bunch of envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 envelopes. And then there is there's 6 cards. So there are 3 like one and 3 like another. So there are 3 like this one. Those are cute, and they're blank. And then there are 3 like this. And those are really cute. And they're blank on the other side. So those are great. Definitely come in handy. The envelopes are just plain white. And of course then you have a sticker to seal it. So that's awesome. So I like that. I like the stationery idea. It's very useful. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And stay tuned for 12. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.